In our previous video, we have seen how we can apply the state and validation and track with the help of Angular provided classes. Just like we have seen the class applied on the email control, that is form control ng untouched, ng pristine and ng valid. When I am clicking here and I am navigating to some other, then it becomes ng touched, and when I am giving some value it becomes valid and dirty. So these are the things which we have gone, and now we will be going through the applying the validation in the control and provide some visual interaction. Suppose that this particular field is required and somebody is coming and not giving any value, just going to some other control, then we have to indicate visually with the help of some messages or applying some class, just like generally we apply the red border to the text control in order to show like this field is required. Let us go ahead and see. So we are trying to apply the invalid class when this particular reference is invalid. Let me just add this invalid class to our CSS file. So what we have to do, simply just give in the normal fashion, just like we give the in the CSS dot the class name that is invalid. Let me just give color red. Now we need to change the border color. So you can see the border red has been applied. When we are giving some value, the border is getting normal. So this is on the very initial load of the page. So we should not immediately show the error kind of things on the very first load. So what we have to do, so the invalid class will only be applied once we are touching that particular control. Once that particular control is touched and invalid, then only the class will be applied. So you can see this is not red on the very start, but when we are clicking here, touch this control, and when we are navigating to some other, then this border will become red. Let us go ahead and change some more style to this border. Let's say I want border width to be, let's say, 1. We will adjust this if it is not suitable. So let me just give 0.2. So now it's fine, it's looking pretty good. Now let's give background color, let's say light pink. So in this way you can define the styles and apply to the control. Now one more thing, suppose that this particular field is not valid and we want to show some message like this field is required. Let's say class no content will be applied if the value is valid and it is not touched. I will apply class let's say I am just trying to show required. Let me define this class also, otherwise the content will be visible. Display to be none. Now when I am touching here and going some other place, it is showing required. This field is required. And you can apply the class just like we have applied this one. So if I am giving some value, it is valid. Not giving any value, jumping to other control, it becomes invalid. So in this way you can apply the visual feedback and apply the visual interaction on the field where you have applied some validation that must be followed in order to pass the values or in order to submit the form. So this is how we can apply the validation in control with visual interaction. That's all. Thank you so much.